Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Casioak. Today we have the GM2100, but this is going to work for other models as well, as long as they have the module 5611. So most of Casioaks are going to operate with this module, so this is going to work for you as well. What you need to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 3 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep, and the first thing that you are going to be able to see here on the digital display is the home city. As you can see, we have Rome. I'm going to use the mode button in order to toggle between different options. So I'm going to press it once. Here we can choose to activate or deactivate the DST. I'm going to go past that. Here we have the 24-hour display. So here you can choose between a 12-hour display or a 24-hour display. If you press the button on the right, as you can see, we are going to switch to 12-hour display. In case you prefer to see, let's say 18 instead of 6 p.m., you are going to press it once again and leave it at 24. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here is something really important because the first thing that we can reset are the seconds. If you reset them between 1 and 29, they are going to reset to 0, but no minute is going to be added. So I'm going to press it once, and as you can see, it has reset to 0. If it is between 30 and 59 seconds, it is going to reset to 0, but a minute is also going to be added. Now if I press the mode button once again, here I can adjust the hours. Now I can use both of the two buttons, so I can use the light button in order to go backwards and the start button in order to go forward. You can also press and hold in order to speed scroll, so this is going to move a lot faster and is very useful, especially if you adjust the minutes or the day of the month. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here once again I can go backwards, so 40, 39 and so on, or I can go forward. I can press one by one, or I can speed scroll. So I'm going to make it 10, just like that. In case you went too far, you can always go backwards with the other button. Once you have set the correct time, press the adjust button, and that is going to finalize the process. Now as you can see, the digital time is also going to match the analog time. So we have 1811 and the analog time shows 1811. In case these two do not match, you need to hand align your Casioak. I have a full guide on all the functions and features, so I'm going to leave a link in the description box below in case you have a problem and you want to hand align it, so to reset the watch hands of the Casioak, for example after battery replacement or in case of magnetism. So guys, that was the quick tutorial. In case you found value from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel in case you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews. Once again, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.